Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I hope everybody's doing okay. I know it's lockdown time. My son and daughter-in-law were just in town for my son's 40th birthday, and he told me that I can no longer say I'm 39 again because he turned 40. So depressing. But anyway, I am here to do my base Boxycharm. I know a lot of people already have unboxed it, and I know there's a Natasha Denona palette. I'm not sure if it's in the base or the premium. So I'm still waiting on my premium, so I thought I would get going. So let's get started. Boxycharm has 3 boxes. It has the base box, it has the premium box that I get both of those boxes every month, and then quarterly it has the luxe box. So when you get the luxe box, you don't get the base box. Trying to figure all that out. And I was thinking of canceling because I was getting so many beauty subscriptions. I get the Fashionista or Fashionista, the box by Fashionista. I already had canceled Ipsy, and I was getting some indie brand boxes. I get Selfie box, and that's more of a skincare type of box, but it's like, what do I do with all of this makeup? Especially now, you put all your makeup on and you put your mask on, and really all you see are your eyes. And again, since we're going back on lockdown, as I said, my son came in from Chicago and they left this morning and they're going back to lockdown. So, sorry, I itch. I think the only thing that they're gonna have open is for essential workers, and my son and daughter-in-law are both essential workers, so they'll be going back to work. But I think the restaurants, bars, salons, they'll be closed. I'm in Arizona. I heard rumor that we're gonna be doing the same thing, but it's just a wait and see game. And I think I saw it on the news this morning, or just a flash on the TV. You cannot go, hold on one moment. Sorry, my allergies are still acting up. I saw it on the news this morning that you cannot go from house to house for Thanksgiving. So if you're even a neighbor, you cannot go to your neighbor's house for Thanksgiving. I don't know how they're going to track it, but you know the government. So anyway, for more positive news, let's get into my Boxycharm. I already taped it, so it has the red. And this must be the Natasha Denona box, because right on top it says you can save 25% on, it looks like any Natasha Denona product on their website. So how cool is that? Now, I don't think I own any Natasha Denona product. So if I do get the palette in here, it will be my first. So how exciting is that? And I think Clara, what's the name of her channel? Ageless Beauty 55. I watched her unboxing. She did an unboxing using, or a makeup get ready with me using all Boxycharm products. And she said they have 3 million, God, I just can't talk today. They have 3 million subscribers to Boxycharm, and they only sent 1 million of these palettes out. So we'll have to see. And then the theme is Harvest. Sometimes they put a card in your Boxycharm, sometimes they don't. I was lucky to get a card, so yay. And I'm thinking, I don't know if I got it, because I got a Beauty Creations Cali Glow palette. So maybe I didn't get the Natasha Denona. Maybe they just sent the discount card to everybody to kind of make up for the fact that you didn't get the palette. So let's see what this is. Ooh, it looks like a highlighter bronzer palette. So it's actually very pretty. Gray colors. I was thinking, it says one color Santa Monica, Malibu, and Manhattan Beach. Sorry, hard to read. I'm not gonna swatch them because I might either put this on Macari or put it in a giveaway. Never know. I've got a couple of palettes already that I'm using, so I hate to just start another one if I'm not going to be able to use it. And let's check and see how much that is. The Cali Glow, a summer glow all year long, and it retails for $14.99. So it's not an expensive palette, but it's a very pretty palette. Excited for that. Then we got the Earth Harbor Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule. Plants, God, I can't talk. Plant cells. It comes in this box. Let's see what's in here. Oh, and I did get version 18. So if you got Boxycharm, let me know what version you got. And you know, I can never open boxes. Oh, what a pretty color. I think I did see some unboxing of this because I remember the pretty color. Let's see if you shake it up if it changes. No, it still keeps that pretty color. Kind of liking this. Now let's just see what it does. And this is not the lip enhancer. Earth Harbor Helios Anti-Pollution, named after the powerful Greek deity of the sun. Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule is an almighty ambrosia brimming with ultra reparative plant stem cells in a fountain of youth, preserving red algae. Now this is a big word. Astaxanthin, restore antioxidants, balance skin pH, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. That retails for $48. So that I definitely will try to use. So it just paid for the box. And then we got by Sure Essential. Is this a lip product? Let's check it out because you know I can't open the box. Oh. This is Essential Lip Enhancer. Protects, oh, it's in French. I have to call my daughter. But it looks like it's just a lip enhancer, maybe like a lip balm. And since I have lipstick on, I'm not gonna try it, but I will use it. So that's always nice to have. And let's check this baby out. The Sure Cosmetics Lip Enhancer infused with good-for-you clean ingredients. This lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. And that retailed for $17, so not a bad item. And you know, I'm gonna have to pop those later. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Natasha Denona. I guess I'm one of those million people that received the palette. So let's check this out. Now, I don't know if there's different colors because the one Clara, it was like brown orangey colors. When she demonstrated the look, it came out beautiful. She always does beautiful looks, but it had an orange hint to it. So I think this is the same palette. Now I will swatch this because I'm definitely going to try using this. Oh my God, it is so creamy. Wow. Probably won't be able to see the lighter color. I don't know if you guys got this in your box or you haven't, Natasha Denona, but let me tell you, these go on like butter. I don't know if you can see it on my hand. Can you see those colors? This is the light one. But they go on so smooth. I cannot wait to try this. And this case, here's the case, and it just closes like that. But again, these are the colors, and I'm loving this. I'm not a big, I don't know how to put eye makeup on, obviously. I watch so many YouTubers, but that is awesome. And this is the Peak palette, and it retails for $48. Cannot wait to try that. One more item in the box. This little guy. I don't know what he is. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Pero Primer Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. A water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place. And this retails for $15. And I heard this is really good. I've got about 6 or 7 bases, and I just try different ones all the time since I'm not a makeup artist, and it's kind of fun to try the different ones. So what did you think of my Boxycharm base box? I thought it was awesome. I cannot wait to try this pretty color stem cell oil, and of course the Natasha Denona. And what was a plus was the fact that I got this other palette, so it's like a 2 palette box. And the lip thing is always nice to have, and the coupon. So when you see this, it'll have the total retail price of this box. What did you think? Do you get Boxycharm? Did you get a great box? There was not a product in this box that I would not try. So leave me comments. Let me know if you like it, if you love it, if you got it. So that was my Harvest box. Cannot wait to get my premium box. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.